Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. Today we're going to check out the roborock F25 Ace Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum.
And roborock sent us this for the review.
All right, let's open it up.
Oh, look at this. Directions on how
Pretty
to set it up.
comprehensive directions.
And a user's manual and a fancy card. It also has pictures of all the things. See, a little card. Tells you everything to do.
Pictures.
And of course, an extensive user manual. All right, let's see. Well, we got a roller.
Fuzzy. And it's a filter. That is the power cord.
Oh, it's nice and heavy duty too. That's good.
It's all about the base.
How about the base? Oh, very nice.
Nice base. It's where it goes to live.
All right, then what's on the bottom? Anything exciting? Well, some sort of ventilation here. Will you pull that one out? I'll pull this one out. Let's see what else there. Okay. All right.
Cleaning brush.
So this one here is
Foam cleaning solutions.
so they give you a big bottle of it. It's pretty. It's like it says. Is that 40?
480 milliliters.
That's the handle.
The handle.
1, 2, 3 buttons on top.
Buttons on top. A trigger.
Yeah, and then it looks like it just. Oh, it's got like a connector on the end here.
And we've got the unit.
Okay, you ready? I'll grab this end. You grab that. Okay. Wow.
Not that heavy, actually.
No?
No, not as heavy as I expected.
Oh, there you go.
There it is. Oh, look at that. It says auto dispenser here. And it's got a little droplet. It must be where you put the water in.
So let me see. So you're saying there's a place for water? You're saying?
Place for water and a place for must be soap.
All right, that's good.
And it's got a little.
Oh, it's got one of those things you can take off.
This is my favorite part. This is cardboard, a cover where the roll is supposed to go.
Well, I think it cleans itself, right? It's like a comb on that thing. That's kind of interesting.
Foam spray, it says. Interesting.
Oh, they're like a little nozzle, little rubber piece here, and a couple wheels, and whatever these are, and then the big wheels. Oh.
Oh, the whole tray comes out.
Tray comes out. No, that's nice because you're going to fill it with water and everything else.
Yep.
And here's the mechanism, right? Look at that. Okay, so that's that out of there.
Well, this is the filter that's already installed.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's really cool. So there's the whole mechanism. And like you said, you can take the filter and replace it. That's pretty nice. Got a little key thing here, and it must be some sort of filter to catch the big debris.
Yep, there it goes.
And go ahead and snap it back in place. Okay, it's snapped in, which is nice.
Oh, it's really nice.
How do you think this goes? Just put it in here?
We should look at the directions.
What? Directions?
Yeah, they give
It fits right in.
nice directions here.
Fit right in.
Handle installation, charging dock, buttons.
We got the handle. It just slides in.
Snaps right on.
Snaps right in place. Look at that. So now that we got it together, you see it's all nice. Well done. Okay, so let's put the roller on.
Right. Snaps right in.
That's it.
That's it. Connects right on.
All right.
Looks the same as the other side.
Now, the other thing is that we learned, we want you to put this on again, but I don't think we had it snapped in all the way, so that's obviously an issue. No, you got to push it down a little bit of force.
Yep, and then this thing clicks into place.
Oh, that's great. Okay, and then it just sits on here. And that's it. And of course, you got to plug it in.
You got to plug it in, put the soap in.
So one thing to keep in mind, this is actually a battery-powered unit over here. So basically, when you put it on the base and you plug the base in with a power cord, it will recharge it. But as you can see, it's already working. As a matter of fact, you can see the Wi-Fi light blinking, which means it wants to be set up. All right, this is it. This is the F25 Ace Pro.
Yes, wet dry vacuum. And it comes with everything you see here. It comes with some soap, a spare filter, a brush to clean it, of course a power cord, and all the directions. And we've got it all set up and we're excited to try it out. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.